ID is a bad variable name in Python. Why is it bad to name a variable ID in Python?
ID is a fundamental built-in. Help on built-in function ID in module __ built-in __. In general, using variable names that eclipse a keyword or built-in function in any language is a bad idea, even if it is allowed.
I might say something unpopular here. ID is a rather specialized built-in function that is rarely used in business logic. Therefore, I don't see a problem in using it as a variable name in a tight and well-written function, where it's clear that ID doesn't mean the built-in function.
ID is a built-in function that gives the identity of an object, which is also its memory address in Python. If you name one of your functions ID, you will have to say builtins.id to get the original, or __builtins__.id in Python. Renaming ID globally is confusing in anything but a small script. However, reusing built-in names as variables isn't all that bad as long as the use is local. Python has a lot of built-in functions that, 1, have common names and, 2, you will not use much anyway. Using these as local variables or as members of an object is okay because it's obvious from context what you're doing. Example. Some built-ins with tempting names. ID, a list, dict, a map, all, any, a complex, int, dir, input, slice. Sum, a min, a max, object, file, removed in Python 3.0, buffer, removed in Python 3.0.
In PEP 8, Style Guide for Python Code, the following guidance appears in the section Descriptive, Naming Styles. Single _ trailing ___, used by convention to avoid conflicts with Python keyword, e.g. tkinter.top level master class _ class name. So, to answer the question, an example that applies this guideline is including the trailing underscore in the variable name makes the intent clear to those familiar with the guidance in PEP 8.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.